Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. So, here we are, we made it to 15K. Very cool. It's been a long road. It's been a very fun road. I can assure you of that. I mean, my goodness, been going at this for a few years now. So 15 for 15K. What exactly does that mean? Well, going over 15K, I wanted to kind of do, it's a decent little watermark there, so I wanted to do a little bit of a thank you giveaway. Thanks to all 15,000 plus subscribers out there. I know, not all of them watch. I get it. I get how it works. Super shout out to all my brigade members over these past years. I greatly appreciate your support. I mean, some of them rolling over 6 years of being channel members. So thank you so much. And I have to give a super shout out to my master moderator, Mr. DSKFS himself, Zach Stuff. Man, he really pushed there at the end to get me over. So, Zach, a personal thank you from me for doing that. But 15 for 15K. Exactly. What does it mean? Well, it means I got 15 of these packed up. Well, I got 14 of them packed up right now because I wanted to show you something that was in there. I got 14 and a half. We'll put it that way. I got 14 and a half of these packed up. There will be 15 by the time I do the drawing. Trust me. That's 15 for 15K. It's going to be a surprise. I know I kind of, on a couple of live streams, I kind of pointed out the box of knives and people were guessing. Some of you were pretty well on it, what some of them were. So, but yeah, I can guarantee you there's at least a knife in here. Some other goodies, some swag, and I actually made or had some special swag made up. Of course, had to hit up my buddy Blue over at the dojo shop, and I had to make some special swag up. Some poker chips. Well, that's pretty much regular, right? That looks pretty much like a regular Big Red poker chip. But on the back side, they are 15K giveaway special. There are 15 of them. There will be one in each one of these boxes. I only had 15 made. They're limited run. So limited, I don't even have one. So there you go. I mean, I had them made, so if I really wanted one, I could probably get one. But I'm not going to do that. You guys, the 15 winners, are the only ones that are going to have them. And not to mention, 5 of these 15 boxes, upon request from several of you, have autographed Nelly stickers in them. So, it's something, just something little extra that I wanted to throw in there. But there's at least a knife and other goodies in there. It's not just a knife in the swag. There's other goodies in there too. They're not all exactly the same. They're a little different, but I wanted to do it this way for one. I mean, you guys know, I love the surprises, like the monthly knife club box and all that stuff. I love doing it that way. When I talked about it on SKL, got a lot of positive feedback from y'all. So that's what we're doing. That's how we're doing it. How exactly we're doing it is the video obviously is posting today. Watch the video. Comment on said video. You guys know that's how I pick my winners. I randomly pick comments. One winner. You can only win once. We're going to spread the love. We want 15 different winners. We want to spread the love around. Obviously, all the normal rules got to be 18, blah, blah, blah. U.S. addresses only. All that good stuff. That'll all be down in the description, just so there's no mistake. So, video post today. Instead of a Sunday surprise giveaway next Sunday, I am going to do the drawing for these boxes. And I'm just going to straight up draw 15 names, and those 15 people will be our winners. Pretty much like, well, you know, I've kind of been going back and forth with this, because I was going to say Nellie and I are going to be gone the following weekend. That would be the weekend of the, oh, gotta flip the calendar. That would be the weekend of the 15th. Nellie and I are going to be out of town. So, you know what? You're going to get quite the reprieve on this one. Because normally, you know, with Sunday giveaways, the person has to contact me by the following Wednesday, which I could do, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to. I want to make sure if you guys are picked as a winner, you get the box. You know, I mean, if you watch this video and comment, the next video is going up next Sunday. So you watch that video. That's all I can say. Watch that video. Find out if you're a winner. You're going to have a pretty good odds with 15 winners. You're going to have until the following, not the 15th, but the 22nd to contact me. So you're going to get pretty much 2 full weeks to be able to contact me and claim your box. That should give everybody enough time. If there are boxes that do not go unclaimed by the time I hit SKL on the 22nd, because I do plan on doing one. It's a busy month, guys. Busy month. No SKL this past weekend. None on the 15th. So, I will give them away on that SKL that night. The night of the 22nd. If there's any of these left over, we're just going to give them away on SKL. I will keep a list. I really want 15 different winners. That's really what I want. So maybe on that SKL, if you're already a winner, maybe you play the numbers game for somebody else. I'm not going to tell you to do that, but I really want 15 different winners. I want to spread the love. I want to put these in 15 different people's hands. That's what I'd like to do. You know what I mean? Even though it's what I'd like to do, hopefully, that's what happens. We'll just put it that way. So, that's the deal, guys. 15 for 15K. Watch this video, comment down below, and Sunday, the 9th, instead of a Sunday surprise, it's going to be a surprise because you don't know what's in there. Guys, I got 15 of these. I just did them up. They're not marked in any way, shape, or form. I have no idea what anybody's going to get. I figured that was the fairest way to do it. I have no idea. I'm just going to grab a box. You're going to, obviously, once you're selected that Sunday, the 9th, you're going to email me, BigRedEDC@gmail.com, and claim your prize. Like I said, you're going to have 2 weeks to do it, but the faster you do it, the faster I can get them out. And we're going to leave on the 13th and come back on the 16th. So email me right away, Sunday, Monday. I'll get them out to you before we go, for sure. But shoot me that email, BigRedEDC@gmail.com. And I'll go over all that when I do the drawing as well. But again, guys, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. Who knows what I'll come up with. Probably the next big one like this. I don't do big giveaways like this a lot anymore. I mean, I do the Sunday surprise giveaways every Sunday. I do the brigade member only, the channel member only giveaways once a month. I do giveaways on SKL. I do a lot of giveaways. So, but haven't done a big one like this in a while. So, it's always fun. Glad to do it. And we'll probably, hopefully, sooner rather than later, do a big one at 20K. So, thanks a lot, guys. Thank you again for all your help and support of the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. And on this video, it might win you one of 15 of these. Have a great week coming up, guys. And I will see you guys on Sunday for the drawing. Bye, guys.